Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and here I have a really rare fruit tree. Actually, it's the only Canarian fruit tree worth growing, which is very strange because nowadays the Canary Islands are a paradise for fruit lovers. You can have tropical, subtropical, temperate fruit. I think basically 70 or 80% of all fruit in the world, you can grow them here because you will always find a microclimate where anything can grow. But it wasn't always like this. Pretty much all those good fruits, they've been imported from Asia, Europe, Africa, America, Australia, from anywhere, but from the Canary Islands. Actually, the only good fruit tree native to the Canary Islands and also endemic to the Canary Islands is this here. The strawberry tree, the Canarian strawberry tree, Arbutus canariensis, the tastiest strawberry tree I know. Well, as I said, it's endemic to the Canary Islands, and it's basically the only good fruit the Spanish conquistadors found here. So in this tree, all the fruit look already nice and ripe, but most of them are not. There are just a few which are soft enough. Well, let's pick one. So, see, the one with the more bright color between my thumb and my index finger is still unripe. Those two, which are more dull, are half ripe. And those two at my ring finger and my pinky, they are really ripe. Let's try the half-ripe ones first. Yeah. Nice and basically ripe enough, only the skin is quite tough. But the inside is already quite nice and juicy. Now the really ripe ones, where the skin feels really soft. They melt in your mouth. With the taste reminiscent of apricots, but not so much apricot flour, not so much apricot flavor. Basically everything from an apricot if you take away the apricot flavor. Nice. Let's get a couple more. Well, the season is just starting in mid-November, so there are just very few ripe ones. Really tasty fruit. Native to the Canarian laurisilva or laurel forest or subtropical to temperate rainforest. It's very rare, but the forestry department tends to plant it in stands of native trees, and also it's being planted along roads. So this tree, I saw two more along this road. They were planted by the roads department. It has a very conspicuous bark, reddish, very smooth, peeling. It has very beautiful leaves. The flowers are also very beautiful, but I think the most beautiful and most useful part are the fruit. So whenever you see a strawberry fruit tree at the Canary Islands roadside, you can basically carefully park your car, carefully pick the fruit and enjoy them. The only really good native Canary Islands fruit tree. So glad I found this on my first day in Tenerife. So folks, this was the Canarian strawberry tree, Arbutus canariensis. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful island of Tenerife. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.